Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Today is all about unboxing. So I have this package that arrived last week, so I did not have chance to unbox it, so I am here today to unbox it so that you guys can see what is inside. But everything inside the box is for my children. So everything is for my children. So we have two bags here. This one here, as you can see, this is the one here. We have one. Then here. So we are going to unbox them and we are going to see what is inside. So let's unbox them. They should one pack here. We just want to see what is inside. Not going to open finish. Just want to. I think this is shoe and clothes. So this is my purse. I have purse here. So this is the purse. This is the only thing I'll take from the bag because they look nice, look beautiful, look amazing. They have a lot of space. This is shoe for my boy. We have shoe here. Shoe for my boy, 24. Let's go to the small one. This is shirt. I think this is jacket. I think no, it's my boy clothes. I get bag, handbag, little mini handbag. This is my boy shirt, and this is for my girl, just a little gown, summer gown. She like it, and it's for summer gown. I don't want to start out now. I think this is shoe for my girl. So nice. They are not meant to see now. It's my girl's clothes. This clothes is very nice and so expensive. It's for me for shaving. I think it's for shaving a bit. Yeah, for shaving habits. Yeah. My boy's trousers. Then let's go to the second one. Stop. My boy's shoe. Temperature, to control our temperature. Get shoe, so together, and I get shirt. So we go with the shoe. As you can see, go with the shoe. So we have the shoe. I will have the clothes together. From this. See. So this is all we have here. So I'm going to add this video to my unboxing other videos, so they are going to be joined together and it's going to be 2-in-1 unboxing video. So see you guys in our next unboxing video. So this is what I have here. This is the package. So this is what we have inside here. You can see this is what we have here. So we are going to be unboxing them one after the other. So let's rub it first. So the first thing we have here is gown. This gown is for me. I like it. It was so nice. have here other things. This is my jacket. Other things here, there are jacket that is big. This one is for me. Inside is so warm. That is for my daughter. This one is for my daughter. And I also bought for my daughter also. This one here. This one is for my son. And this is for my son. This one here is for my son. They are all. I don't know how they say. I have to seal this in. I said tomorrow, not this. This one here is for my daughter. Very long. My son. So now they're going to be managing it for now. So this is girdle. What to work for myself because the one I have and two and almost and this one. I'll buy it so that you guys can see. I also got, what is this one? Busters. I also bought busters for my son. This is 10 pieces of busters. But the one you have here is overglue. So we have to throw them away and we'll be using this one. This is it. Very nice. So nice and beautiful. I love the colors. The colors, they are so nice. Attachment. This is attachment I got for my daughter. Yeah. I got it from. Very nice. Although this is my first time of buying attachment online. So and 2 times now I have bought attachments online. I bought the one in use last year. Then I bought this one again. I feel like I'm purchasing well. This is the one I am. So this is the quality one I'm going to use. And this. I think there are 6. Last among the list we have here is another girdle. Madam girdle. So in case if I feel like to tie my tummy before I go out, I can be able to tie it before I go. This is how this looks like. This is this. I'll try it and I'll see how it looks like. Try it. See. Last one, like this. This one here. I think it's that shower cap for my guess. Shower cap for my guess. So it's shower cap for my guess. So that we're wearing it. I brought out the wrong bag. So this is the first bag and this is the second bag. So they are all full here with my clothes. So let's unbox together. So the first thing we are going to unbox here is this first bag here. So all this here is regis and we have here is regis. Trouser. This is this. Can't wait to try this trouser. I just hope that they are all my size. This is this. Here's another this trouser here. Because I need this trouser. I don't have this trouser. This is another this trouser so you guys can see it. I can't wait to try them. I can't wait to try them. And I can't wait to rock them. Rock them. So this is another this. So let's see this one. think here is here. Here is also G's. It's G's. This one here is for my girl. This one here I think is Regis for my girl. This one here is trouser for me, short one for me. This one here is for me, it's up and down. This one here is for me too. One here is also trouser. So this is all in this unboxing video, so wait for more unboxing video. So this video is going to be all about unboxing. I'm going to join the whole my unboxing video together, and I'm going to edit everything together. I'm going to post them. So this is it. It's just trouser. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember and keep watching my unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.